Ever feel like your blood sugar levels are on a roller coaster? You're not alone. Blood sugar volatility is the name of the game, and understanding it is crucial if you're living with diabetes. Stick around, and we'll unravel what makes these fluctuations tick and why it matters for your health. So, what exactly is blood sugar volatility? Simply put, it's the rapid changes in your blood sugar levels throughout the day. These changes can be triggered by various factors: what you eat, your activity level, stress, and even your sleep patterns. Imagine your blood sugar levels like waves in the ocean, sometimes calm, sometimes stormy. This volatility can complicate diabetes management, but with the right strategies, you can ride these waves smoothly. Picture this: you've got a packed day ahead, and your blood sugar levels decide to go on their little adventure. For many living with diabetes, this is a daily challenge. Let's hear from folks across the African diaspora who manage their condition while embracing cultural practices that might affect their blood sugar. Their stories are a testament to resilience and adaptation, showing just how vital understanding and managing blood sugar volatility is in everyday life. In today's tech-savvy world, managing your diabetes is just a click away. Technology offers an array of gadgets and apps to help keep an eye on your blood sugar levels. From continuous glucose monitors to smart apps that analyze your readings, these tools are game changers for those who want to be proactive about their health. Leveraging these can significantly improve outcomes, putting the power back in your hands. There's no shortage of myths surrounding diabetes and blood sugar volatility. Ever heard that you can't eat any sugar at all? Not true. It's important to separate fact from fiction and empower yourself with accurate information. When you know the facts, you're better equipped to manage your health effectively. Let's arm ourselves with the truth and leave the myths behind. Community support can be a lifeline when managing diabetes. In African diaspora communities, strong support systems are integral. They offer a network of care, shared experiences, and cultural wisdom, all contributing to a healthier life with diabetes. Remember, it's not just about individual management. It's about communal strength and support as well. Integrating your cultural heritage into your diabetes management can be an enriching experience. Whether it's through storytelling or traditional practices, these elements can play a significant role in spreading awareness and education about diabetes. By respecting and incorporating cultural practices, you not only manage your health better, but also cherish and preserve your cultural identity. To wrap things up, we've covered a lot today, from understanding blood sugar volatility to leveraging technology, debunking myths, and embracing community support. Now, we want to hear from you. Share your stories and experiences in managing diabetes. Your insights could help others on their journey. Don't forget to subscribe if you crave more empowering health content. Let's keep the conversation going and support one another.